In front of me is Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to activate auto brightness on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings. Then from the settings list you have to reach accessibility. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and actually not very bottom, and just pick display and text size. So actually it's at the top of the list right under magnifier. And now go a bit lower where you will find auto brightness. So just click on it, and from now on your device's brightness will be adjusted to the current weather conditions. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.